kind of. It don't matter. One way or another, it's all gonna come out. Do 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 do. What time do you guys normally go scrapping? I like coming out late, not real late, but definitely after hours is my fave. One, they can do their work and throw it all in the dumpster. And two, I'm not a big fan of a ton of workers. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'll be honest with you. What in the heck? Sorry about that. Alright, I need a plan, man. It's hard enough to just get out of these things. My God. I don't know what the best plan is gonna be. This stuff's heavy. Heavy as all can be. Oh, and I almost dumped it. That thing's not moving. This thing is not moving either. Ah, man. Alright, so for the next round, I'm gonna need a better plan. I don't know how much weight this is, but my God. Sorry about the grunting, guys. Hey. Already had my workout. Getting all that aluminum earlier. Wow. Plan. Be smarter. Be smarter. Be smarter. Be smarter. Jump in a bunch of them. It's actually like a 6-foot dumpster, or 5.5 or something. Hey. Get these bigger pieces, I guess. There's another one. You can go out there, buddy. You can go out there. How big are these? So these are just steel, I believe. Those are aluminum. These are super long. I don't even know if I can get those in the car. Try this. Fit in there. Kind of. Put a few in there. Found that Milwaukee tool. It was a copper cutter. I think I had that on video. It was a copper cutting tool. Milwaukee. No battery, but that was pretty cool. Gotta get a battery for it. Hopefully it'll work. It's amazing how much it adds up. Ay, ay, ay. True test, true test. Don't fall out. Don't fall out. Until your metal sticks on everything. Balance action. Oh man. Get a little more of this. See if there's any more aluminum. There. That's where you want to wear the mask. And there. Good number one, some aluminum sheet. My scrapyard calls it aluminum sheet. I don't know how that's a sheet. It's creepy. And don't fall back in, I'll be crying. That'd be sad. You guys will be laughing. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Because I'd go back in and get it anyway. That box is super heavy too. Better bring it over here. Don't fall, please. Don't fall. What is this stuff anyway? It's not rebar. You guys know what they do with this stuff? Must be for the... Is it for the walls? Forgot. Or cement. Maybe it's for the cement. Put that in there when they're making the concrete. If you guys know, let me know. I'm not sure. Maybe that's... I think they just put concrete in there. Alright, one more trip. Grab a few more of those things over here. You can always come back. This place is not... I don't know, they've been here for a while. And they just replaced this dumpster, so they're definitely not done. Make some no more noise, Darren. My God, dude. Yeah, that's my light. That light says it's the end of your guys' night. Pick it up. Do you guys have the GoPro little light that goes on top? I don't know. It was expensive and it doesn't work with crap. I mean, look at this. It's like, it's nice, but now I gotta keep it on dim for the rest of the time. I don't know, they say it's like 2 hours. Well, it ain't 2 hours, that's for sure. I'm gonna end it on this anyway. Get this stuff back. Get this little video up. Make YouTube happy. I swear if you don't put a video up a day, they punish you. We'll save some of this. Not that I want to. It's not too bad. That's a nice chunk. I can't leave that baby behind. Didn't know you had to be freaking Superman to be a scrapper. I'm curious to see how this light actually shows up when it's super dark out here. Drop that piece. Check it out on the edit. So it's on like level 1 on the GoPro light. Not GoPro. On the light, level 1, there's 3 settings. But if you turn it past 1, it don't last long at all. Dang it. It's getting chilly out here anyway, so it's fine. It's not too bad of a haul. Aluminum, some BXD, some heavy steel tonight. Get this pallet back. Let them keep filling this up, and we'll just keep let them fill it up. Take a little picture, boom. See what it looks like the next time we come through. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go home, get some rest. I'll throw this video up, and then comment below what this stuff is. I think it's for when they make cement, but I'm not sure. So, all right, guys, I'll see you on the next. Please subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate it. Peace.